recipe from the book Larousse Patisserie and Baking. This recipe is a lemon poppy sponge cake. The ingredients that we're going to need in this recipe is poppy seeds, baking powder, brown sugar, butter, lemons, eggs, and flour. The first step to this recipe is to put in a large bowl the butter and the sugar and to mix it until it becomes pale. Now that it's well combined, add the flour, the eggs, and the baking powder, and add it to our mixture and mix until it's well combined. Now the next step is we're going to remove the zest from the lemon with a grater, and then after we're going to squeeze the lemon juice out with this, and we're going to put it in our batter with the poppy seeds. want to do something else with the lemons that you just cut and squeeze, you can put it in water in a glass and you're gonna get some good lemonade. It's very delicious. Grease a bread pan and then add the flour in everywhere and then put in the batter and then refrigerate for 30 minutes. Preheat the oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit, and then when it's at temperature, take your dough that was in the refrigerator for 30 minutes and put it in the oven for 50 minutes. So for this recipe, normally you have a topping that is like a sugar glaze, but my family, we don't very much like sugar, so it was extra sugar, so we decided not to put it. But if you want to, in the description there's gonna be the recipe to make it. Thank you. This is all for today, foodies. I hope you had fun in the kitchen, and I hope to see you next time. Don't forget to click the like and subscribe, and if you want the recipe, go down and click more and the recipe is gonna be there for you.